you did have one.
You'll be in Florida. I keep waiting for California to sink in.
Oh, good.
Right, so if you guys want to get up and go to breakfast at one of the restaurants, they also offer a table service restaurant, not just the buffet at Marceline Market. We got up super late, but welcome to day 3. The menu looks great. They have French toast, hash browns with eggs. They also have pancakes and things like that. So orange juice and definitely tons of coffee. And we actually had dinner here last night in 1923. So wherever you have dinner, usually you have breakfast at the next morning. Love all the drawings, like animation. So cool. Okay, so each per each cruise day, there's one location available for breakfast, right? So, okay, so the last day, you go to breakfast the day after the same dinner you had the night before. The breakfast here for your mornings, it's almost like the See You Real Soon breakfast. They even have for kids or all ages, not just kids, because there's children of all ages. Peanut butter and jelly typhoon pancake, red jelly pancake and peanut butter. So you just get a small menu as I was showing you before we walked in, and you just get to sit down and relax and not do the buffet. So we kind of like to do this 1 to 2 times out of the cruise. Okay, so it is day 3 and it is Castaway Cay day. So we're going to go out to Disney's other private island and show you around over there. It is going to be decorated for Christmas. I'm wearing my Christmas shirt I just bought at Lookout Cay. So that'll be fun. And just spend some day in the sun today. We might ride the AquaMouse. We might take a nap. We need plenty of coffee today because it is day 3. Staying up super late, and tonight's pirate night, so we have a lot on the agenda for today. We're having dinner at Marvel, right? Oh no, we're back to 1923, so we'll be dressed up like pirates. Let's start our day. Welcome back. Starting off the day healthy with some grits, and Paul got a parfait, right, with pineapple. Does it have granola, banana,
Dried bananas and cornflakes.
dried bananas and cornflakes? Oh wow, okay. It looks good. What flavor is yogurt? Granola? Plain yogurt, and a refill on coffee. You'll see a lot of that today. Waffles. I'm waiting for my blueberry compote. French toast. It's just regular French toast. Okay, and an omelet, and you got bacon. What's inside? Cheese and bacon, cheese, and mushroom. Do you get a side of bacon? Okay, he's waiting on the side of bacon as well. So, Bon Voyage. And now my waffles are all dressed up. Now I'm happy. Anyone can cook. 1923 is an elegant dining room here. And this is the Walt Disney side. Just to give you guys an overview of what it looks like. On one day of the cruise, there is a princess gathering where you can pay and then you can meet, and it's about 15-minute meet time. You can see some of your favorite princesses are out here, and you do have to reserve this in advance before you get on the cruise. So you have Moana, Belle, Tiana, and Rapunzel today. Alright, so yesterday was Cafe Merida. Let's go to Cafe Megara. Some of the artwork here. So you have Calliope's Burst Latte, Whisper Latte, Layman Frappe, and a Waltz Brew. What is your fate of coffee, past, present, or future? So Cafe Megara here, I got a peppermint white mocha. So I just love the theming of the coffee shops as well. Coffee number 2, we haven't even stepped off the ship yet. As soon as we stepped off the ship onto Castaway Cay, we see a huge Christmas tree and Captain Hook and Smee. Is it Smee you see outside the ship? I'm so happy to be outside. There they are. They'll be back on the ship for Pirate Night tonight, so there they go. There they go, back to the ship. Bye, Smee. Look at the tree. Merry Christmas from Castaway Cay. So pretty. Get all the details. There's some large ornaments. All the presents, the snowmen. Okay, so warm wishes from Castaway Cay. Hello, snowman. Snow couple. So when you get off the ship, they do have towels waiting for you, so that way, as soon as you walk to Castaway Cay, you are ready to go. Don't forget your sunscreen, your water, and I guess your coffee. We'll see in just a moment where we get a perfect shot of a photo here at Castaway Cay, and we'll get to see the stern of the ship of Spider-Man for the first time. Did you know that you can mail a postcard here right from the islands? Here, it is an actual working post office. So it's pretty fun. It's all decorated for Christmas too. To Santa, letters of Santa. But yes, it is an operational post office. It takes a while. It took about 3 weeks last time. The Castaway Club member and you've taken 50 cruises or more, they actually put your names here at Castaway Cay. I know somebody that might have their name up here real soon. All those families that have cruised 50 or more, congrats to them. This is one of the photo spots. There's actually a better one. If they were up there, we'd get a better shot of Spider-Man, but this should do for now. But you can see him hanging off the stern back there. And also we'll be taking a full ship tour and learn all about the Disney Destiny tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. So after the photo opportunities, you can see all the Christmas decorations right here at Castaway Cay. They did little Santas. And then we'll show you the map of Castaway Cay and where everything is located. Such a beautiful shot on a beautiful shot of the islands. Everyone's waiting for their glass bottom boat tour. Look how blue that water is, and look at that beautiful ship. The Disney Destiny and Spider-Man. Welcome back everybody to A Bouncin Journey, and we're here at Castaway Cay. We're ready to go have some fun in the sun and then go back to the ship and have some fun up there as well on the main deck. All right, everybody, here is the map of Castaway Cay. Now, the difference between Castaway and Lighthouse Point is that Castaway Cay actually has tram transportation to the main part and to Serenity Bay. It's not just walking. So you can get a good idea of what it looks like, and they have a pelican plunge, water slide, hideout for teens. They have more recreation here over there, so fun photo ops. Cookies, too. Is also at Serenity Bay, and she sells seashells and everything else is also here. So let's go walk around. Now, as the tram is waiting for you and you do not have that long pier walk, then you can either choose to walk to the main part or you can take the tram. Either one. But there is availability for both. Cargo landing, cargo handling. I can't read this morning. So the Scuttles Cove and Castaway Beach is next tram arrival is less than 6 minutes Bahamian time because we're all on island time. Say we're on island time.
We are now at Scuttles Cove Tram Stop. For those who are going to Pelican Point, the Second Family Beach, or Serenity Bay, the adult beach, please remain seated.
Guys, you see Minnie Mouse sitting on a golf cart? That's so cute. Oh my gosh!
Goofy!
There he is! Woo, Goofy! They're getting a ride back to the ship. They don't have to walk. That's nice. Cute. Hi, Minnie Mouse! Say bye! It's the character golf cart.
Welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Cay. In a few minutes, we will be arriving at our final destination, right in the heart of paradise, Pelican.
Okay, so we're at the family beach where all the seashells and merchandise and even summertime here with Olaf. So they also have bags where you can get water, drinks, souvenir cups. You can do your float rentals. Let's say hi to Olaf. Tonight is a Frozen show, but we cannot record it. And here they have your worth melting for in summer, let it go. Sven's Carrot Delight. All the fun treats. Let's get a frozen drink and a frozen cup. Woohoo! For Wonder and Oaken's Trading Post and Sauna, big summer blowout. Beach balls, pails and shovels, inner tubes, and snorkel gear. Those are all the tubes that you can rent here. I think they have little trikes and bikes and mats and things like that too. So it is an additional fee, so keep that in mind. All right, so at the family beach, there are tons of chairs. There are a lot of people in the water, actually. We went to Lookout Key. It was actually really cold. So it looks like everybody's having a great day out there in the water.
The water's a lot calmer here because of that barrier.
Oh, yeah, it does block it, right?
Yeah.
From the main.
So you don't really see the waves.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Do you think it's warmer?
I mean, I wouldn't think it would be really any different.
You guys can see over there, there's the water slide at Pelican Point. We're going to walk over here and get a good look at the Disney Destiny as well. All right, so there is a lookout here at Pelican Point, and you get a good view of the Disney cruise ship, any cruise ship that Disney docks here. You get a great view. So let's see. Right over here. So beautiful. So pretty. Water is so crystal clear blue. So pretty. Actually, if you snorkel out to the water a certain distance, there is a Mickey and Minnie statue is down here in the water somewhere when you snorkel. But there's the ship. You can actually see people snorkeling right now. People just floating along. Imagine waking up to this view every morning with your coffee. Amazing. You guys see the Mickey? I see a Mickey. All right, guys, so I was saying this is it seems closer now. Did they move it? So here's the water slide and everything, and then there's the beach. So you have to walk out into the shallow part and then swim all the way across to go. But I thought it was much further when Leanna was little. It seems so far away. So, but it's right here. Isn't that so fun? So the thing about the water slide too that we just showed you is that you do have to swim out to it. It's quite the distance, so be prepared to have a workout. So just one good look at the family beach. You can see everybody is having a great time. They also actually do have Scuttle's Cove for little kids and a teen area and an adult beach. So a lot to do here on Castaway Cay. And also you guys can do a 5K out here. It's an old airplane runway.
You'll be at our secluded beach at Serenity Village, reserved exclusively for dogs. On the beach, over the bank.
That started up a 5K route. Keep right. Welcome to Serenity Bay, the adult-only beach.
Have a magical day.
All right, so Serenity Bay is adults 18 and older. Now make sure if you're going to the Serenity Bay, you take the one that's marked Serenity Bay, right? The tram. So there are two trams, one to the family beach and one to the adult beach. So also, if you guys are wondering, you cannot take the same tram from the ship to the main beach and then to Serenity Bay. You have to get off and then get back on the right one. So just want to let you guys know that as well. It looks like they're doing some refurbishing here at Castaway Cay at Serenity Bay. Maybe they're extending the cookies too or something. Or making more of a sitting area or something.
I did.
You guys notice no matter where you go at Disney, whether it's a cruise, a park, or a resort, there's always some kind of construction going on. Look at all the bikes. See that? It's just adults out here. Still a really pretty water. And there's still some people out here as well. Now you can get like a cabana that you can rent, but usually Concierge or Platinum or Pearl, they take those right away. They're like, I don't know, $500 to $1,000 to rent, but this beach is pretty crowded actually today for the adults, right? It goes pretty far out there. If you do a bike ride or you walk, you do the 5K, you get to see more of the island as well. Now down here, they're not using this side, it looks like. But amazing views out here. We're actually going back to the ship though to do AquaMouse and stay around for that adult area on the cruise ship. So here at Cookies too, they do have more adult-oriented meals like steak and I think burgers and other things. So it's not just kid stuff. So they have more choices here. We're at Cookies too, and it's quite busy. I don't remember it ever being really this busy. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to do a full video of how we felt about this cruise. Was it worth it? Was it different from other cruise ships? Is Disney cruises declining? We're going to give you all the reviews of the entertainment, the food, the service, the shows, how crowded it is possibly on sea day, and what experiences that we have. So we're going to be true and transparent and honest with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. It will come after all of the vlogs, but we're going to do it. I'm sitting here and we're not sure if it's because of the construction, but it's a little bit inconvenient. So we're headed back to the ship. So we're not going to spend any time out here on Castaway Cay. We just wanted to show you guys what it was like. So again, it's just a little bit, I don't know, a little bit less fun, I guess. I don't know. We should have handrails to get up, right?
Short and sweet, sweet from here, Minnie. Come on.
Please let me see you until we reach the top. Then step on out to your right. Please.
We went over the side. There's so much water going everywhere, and we just like made a rush for it, right? Oh my gosh, water is all over me. It was so cold in there. The line for Maleficent is nuts, but we'll see as she walks in. Awesome. Ahoy there, matey. Are you ready for pirate night? Let's go. Yo ho. It's pirate night. Look at Mickey Mouse. Hey, how are you? Feeling good? You're looking fabulous for Pirate Night. You're all ready to go? Are you ready for the party tonight? You're going to stay up late? Yeah?
You gonna be there?
Yeah, we'll be there on top deck, right? Hopefully good weather for fireworks, right?
Oh, I think we should be tip top shape. We'll
Yeah, hopefully so.
Make sure everything's all set. We'll have Nikki's party.
Yep.
Rockin' parlay tonight.
That's right. Yep, we always stay up late for that.
Can't miss it.
Yeah, and then we sleep in tomorrow for a day at sea, right?
Oh, yes, exactly. Very nice.
All right.
Nikki's gonna make sure the captain is all good. Make sure we're set smooth. Set.
That's right, you take over the ship, right?
Oh, yeah. All right.
Are you going to take a photo? Sure. Thank you.
Look right up here first. Let's go 3, 2, 1. And we have 3, 2, 1. That's great. Awesome.
Okay, thank you, Minnie. Hope you have a great night. I'll see you later. How fabulous on Cruella de Vil on Pirate Night. Do you see the menu? They're so cool. Okay, so Cruella de Vil, well, de Vil's is a little lounge in there. It's pretty tight. It probably holds, what, 30 people? Around 30 people. They have a great drink, $30. I'll show you what it looks like. Perfume and glitter makeup in my drink. Let me get fabulous for dinner. It's Pirate Night. Well, for Pirate Night, I had a crab cake and shrimp. I had jerk chicken with beans and rice and a plantain. Paul had noodles or tortellini, right, with shrimp.
It was just shrimp.
No pasta?
And then the dinner was just a pasta. It had scallops, shrimp.
Okay. And then dessert, we had the banana. It wasn't what I was expecting.
No, I thought it was going to be like a pudding.
So they do fireworks at sea and a pirate party.
For the big show! It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around! Yo ho, yo ho. Yo ho, yo ho. Yo ho, yo ho. Pirates like Norton. Yo ho. Brother, we recommend stand up, the hearty so cold. Kidnap and grab, you don't give a hoot. Stand up, the hearty so cold. Yo ho, yo ho. Pirates like Norton. Yo ho. Are you pirates ready to parlay? I said, are you ready to parlay? Come on! Yo ho, yo ho. Stop the time when you hear ya. Yo ho, yo ho. What's that? Make some noise! Yo ho, yo ho. MVP! So I'm the beggar with the fighters and there well can't stand up. You hearty so old. Over with love by a armies to dance. Stand up, the hearty so old. Yo ho, yo ho. Pirates like Norton. Introduce the reason we're all here. She's been giving him an Tortuga, running them right over. She's my captain. She's your captain. She's Captain Red! Should affect the rock-o-meter.
Yo, you there. Now how we been rotating?
Got right hurricane strength.
Oh, listen up! You're all crew on my ship now. And my crew knows how to rock the hard seas. Show me your pirates or your warlike.
Tarley!
who's been pillaging and plundering me ship. I said to rock off with your old crew on my ship. Remember that. You do not want to walk the plank and deal with the wrath of Captain Red.
Oi! We be worse than that fucking treasure. We must rush.
Let's do it again. Bubbles, you got this.
You keep on shouting.
I can't hear you.
Wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Come on.
Rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. Come now, Captain Shackleboard
Harley.
and Captain Madlock. Tarley.
Ahoy, captains. You found us then. It was hard to miss you.
Though calm the waters be, your ship was rocking.
We rocked the boat.
Let's get some sparkling treasure.
You be the someone Captain.
Can't be that son of a jackal. Get yourself down here, Jack.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Did you say something about the treasure?
Second day of the 11th month, 5 four captains of the Caribbean Sea. Parlay, they must pull out. That is the key. Place my hand on this scroll and yell out, yo-ho! Then I'll spark this treasure.
Get
Are you ready? Because here we go.
The deep fried calypso crab cake. Angelica's lime marinated shrimp. Okay, yeah, with sweet potato. I had like a little shiver of sweet potato. And then our bread service was Johnny cake with mango dip. Tia Dama's jerk chicken, grilled and served with rice and peas, fried plantains, and a pineapple chili salsa. And you had Jack's Treasure of the Sea, so grilled shrimp and seared scallops, served with spinach, strings of pasta, tomato sauce, and black tomato pearls. And for dessert, we both had the bananas in paradise. So layered banana bread with hazelnut fudge filling, served with a banana spice puree. So that's what we had for our pirate dinner at 1923. World of Marvel is our last dinner. So we'll be experiencing that. Hercules, we cannot record the show, but we just want to bring you along on our Disney cruise experience. That's all for now. Surprise, when we came back, we have an octopus. I don't know. And passport holder from the Disney Destiny. Thank you, Disney. So nice of you to give us this.
Heart is